Cordial greeting, tutor, and classmate. Today I share to present talks for Let's Talk About Future Plans. My name is Rubén Darío López Rojas. This is my A-Day. In the course English B2, group number 439. Tutor Livi Tatiana Lozano Leighton, UNA. Uh, Present achievements. Uh, I live in the department of Valle del Cauca in the city Santiago de Cali. I am currently studying the fifth semester of agroforestry engineering at the National Open Distance University UNAD. I have been working at the Regional Autonomous Corporation of Valle, CBC, in the area of water resources with the issue of groundwater for 5 years. My job consists of making technical visits to well and cisterns. Another activity that I really like is music, especially singing. I studied traditional music at the Instituto Popular de Cultura IPC. In 2013, I have always liked singing boleros, salsa, tropical, and rock. Currently, I am a part of the orchestra of the company where I work and of a music project with a rock band. Uh, Short term goals. My medium terms plans are to graduate as an agroforestry engineering from UNAD, and I will start a specialization uh, related to the issue of water resources, and I continue working for the protection of water resources. Another of my purposes is to record several of my own song with the rock band. I would like to continue research rehearsing with the company's orchestra and expand to repertoire of the salsa and tropical. I am going to Europe to visit family and friends and go to France, Spain, Italy, Greece, and Germany. I will also propose to my beloved girlfriend with whom I have been in a relationship for 6 years, get married in a club, and go to our honeymoon to enjoy a stay on a paradisiacal island with a beach, breeze, and sea. Long-term goals. In the long terms, I see myself a professionally successful man studying a doctorate abroad, either in Spain or Argentina. I will have the possibility of making investment in the real estate that will allow me to increase and stabilize my economy income. I will have the possibility of being calm in the company or of my family and friends. Uh, Being a man who will leave, leave a mark on people's lives, impacting positively and and sharing my knowledge with others, supporting those who need it, contributing to society. I have the projection of being able to read it, and I will not miss the opportunity to travel many places in the world, in the company of my future wife. Conclusion: the activity developed in Task 4 is useful to improve and practice pronunciation by applying what has been seen in the course. Bibliographic reference. Thanks.